Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you what's new in employee motive. So managing employee involves more than just maintaining their records, right? Like throughout an employee's journey, it's our teams handled important events such as the salary revision and eventually employee offboarding as well. So here, in previous versions of Odoo, which means in 19 and 18 versions, these tasks often required navigating through different menus and performing multiple manual tips. And it's actually very time consuming for the HR leads. Okay. So to simplify the HR operation here in Odoo 20, it introduces new employee management feature that allows HR manager to handle the salary increase and the employee departure directly from the employee profile itself. So let's see how we can do that. So for that, I'm just taking Abigail Peterson as my employee first of all. Okay, let it load. So the first major feature that arrives in Odoo 20 is actually salary increase. So imagine one of your employee has completed their annual performance review and it is eligible for the salary increases. So what you are actually doing in the previous version, like you just need to move on different kind of menu. But instead of manually updating different records, here in Odoo 20, you just need to provide only one single tick. One single click. For that, I'm moving on to this gear icon that you can find in every employee section. And once you are there, from there itself, you can see the salary increase. Okay. So simply click on that option and you will get a wizard like this and you can provide the date of salary increase when it will be going to increase. And the increase rate, how many percentage of that increase rate for Abigail Peterson that I can give and applies on the basis of the full wage and capped wage, which means a salary of $5,000 capped to 4,000 index by 10% will give us 5,400 as a result. So you can provide applies on a full wage or a capped wage basis. Okay. And then we have an extra amount. If you want to just add any extra amount with the salary increasing rate, you can provide them. And after all, you can confirm this option. So if I want to do something like that, I'll show you. So what's the salary of Abigail Peterson now? Let me check on the payroll section. And there you can see the employee salary is there, which means 6,500. If I want to increase the salary, what I can do is move on to the salary increase option. And I can provide today's date. So once I just provided, I just want to increase the salary rate as 20%, and I'm just going to provide a $500 extra. Okay, now let's confirm this option. And what will be happening is that if I'm moving on to the wages section, is updated by Oro like $8,300. Okay, so that's how it actually works on Odoo 20. And now let's talk about the second thing, which means as the same important that we are giving to the end of the collaboration for each employees. So eventually in every organization, it also need to manage employees' departure, right? So whether an employee resign, retire, or completes a contract, HR teams need to provide important information while maintaining accurate employee records every time, right? You all know about that. So Order 20 introduced the same as the salary increase, which is an end of collaboration feature directly within the employee profile. So you can find that particular feature from also the gear icon moving on to the actions, and there you can see an end of collaboration. So how you can do that? Simply click on that particular option and you will get a wizard like this, and you can provide what is the reason for the end of collaboration of this particular employee. Is that fired or retirement or any kind of like resignment? You can any kind of reason should be provided here. And now you can see this is the which is the dismissal date, and in any case of additional information for this end of collaboration, you can add them and archive the employee on from onwards, and within the date, like from when we need to archive this employee on the date which the departure actually takes place in. Okay, so you can provide all the details, and once you guys are done with that, you can schedule it. So if I'm scheduling it, what will be happening is Abigail Peterson will be moving for the end of collaboration. And now you can see this is the end of collaboration for my Abigail Peterson. Okay. So that's how simply you can do with these two feature. So I think this is a tribute for all the HR employees or the HR leads or managers, because It's now from onwards, in Odoo 20, you can easily do the salary increment or the increase, or we can say the ends of collaboration of your employees. Okay. So once the HR is not available in a company, they can also manage these kind of things using their mobile phone. So you guys are wondering how they can do that. So it's a simple process, like you can use Mobo, which is a mobile suite of Odoo. So what you can find them from them is actually it's a clear cut picture of Odoo. What does in the system? It will be just provided inside your mobile phone in a mobile view. So you can move on to the employee module. You can move on to the gear icon, and if you are an HR manager, and you are particularly not available in your company, but you just need to do the end of collaboration or the salary increase by your own. What you can do is download the Mobo from the Play Store or App Store, and you can configure these all options, and you can do the end of collaboration or the salary increase very easily once you are there. Okay. And as well as if you want to do any kind of things, like if you want to provide the salary or you just want to approve any kind of things as an HR manager, you can also do that kind of things. So please do use Mobo first of all, and let me see your reviews as well. Like if you're using Mobo, please give me a review, like what kind of feature that you need, and what are the things that we need to update soon. So that's all about this video. So I hope you all understood what is the new feature that helps you to get very easy work inside your company. So I'll be back with another feature in Odoo 20. So till the next video, bye bye.